It is July 29th, 2013. Today is National Chicken Wing Day, I guess. In Hooters, they are celebrating National Chicken Wing Day by offering all-you-can-eat chicken wings for 13 bucks, and their goal is to hit 1 million chicken wings by the end of the day. A little disclaimer here, this might be a semi-boring video because they're not gonna give me 1 million wings. They're not gonna give me like 200 wings to start off. They're gonna be handing me plate to 10, I think is what they usually do. It might be a little bit slow. I'm gonna have the GoPro going for the time lapse stuff, and I don't know, we're just gonna have fun today. The rules we're gonna be playing by today is there's gonna be 3 reasons why today's challenge is gonna end, or whatever you wanna call it. Reason 1, we get too full. Reason 2, we get too bored. And reason 3, we get kicked out for whatever reason, for eating too many wings. Those are only 3 things I can possibly think of happening. So, let's see how many wings I can eat. That's the goal of today, right, Marn? Mm-hmm. How many wings do you think you're gonna eat?
Like 20.
20?
Start sweating out that.
Oh, come on. The guy posted on Twitter this morning, he ate 44 wings and he had to cut it off. So come on. Some dude on Twitter ate 44 wings. You gotta beat 44 wings. Before we get to the video, I have a few shout-outs I need to give. The shout-outs go to Kyle Hanner, JD De La Cruz, and Everyday Gourmands. I think that's how you pronounce it. But I'm not gonna ruin the video, but compared to what Morgan did, you guys put down a good amount of wings, or a decent amount of wings, so hope you got some good wings. Good job, guys. Thanks for sending me the tweets, and without further ado, back to the video. Alright, so we just put our order in for 2 all-you-can-eat wings. I got mild naked wings, not breaded or boneless. Morgan got, what'd you get?
The hot naked one.
He's a glutton for punishment, so
Well, blue cheese.
Yeah, one got blue cheese too, so alright, we'll see how this goes down.
Right, your hot wing, the blue cheese, medium, and the Cajun shrimp.
Alright, so this is my tray, and there's Morgan's delicious wings. First plate down. This is kind of lame, but whatever. 15 down. Morgan's got a bunch left, so.
Oh yeah, hot.
Yeah, they're hot as hell. I have to eat all these curly fries too. National Chicken Wing Day. I shouldn't be eating curly fries. Whatever. That's 23 wings now. Got a long ways to go, but.
Alrighty guys, 1 order, and here you go.
Thank you. Alright, so it's getting serious now. They got me 2 orders of 8 wings, so I'm taking a quick break. These things are hot as balls. I mean, I'm like burning my fingers on these things. So Morgan's still working on like 11, right? I got 23 down. This will be 31, 39. This is gonna take forever. I'm gonna show you how to eat chicken wing properly, as taught by Pat Bertoletti, I think. Take the wing, you rip off this, there's nothing on here. Just take this, squeeze this side, and push it. Look at that. You need a little bit of work. Oh, I got a drum mat. I'm gonna demonstrate a drum mat. Whoa. Alright, what just happened, Morgan?
15.
How are you feeling, Morgan?
Gross. Oily.
More orders of wings. 55 wings. I had one of Morgan's, because that's 56 wings. Morgan's at 22 wings, so. They're delicious wings, but I'm feeling pretty oily right now, I gotta say. Another 8.
Let's end these things.
Check it out. Morgan's order, that is for me. Morgan button out at like what, 29 or something?
29.30.
Yeah. So I got 3 full orders. Thanks.
I think you're slowing down.
Yeah. Okay, he's probably finishing.
Okay.
Thanks.
Alright, thank you.
Alright. Last 24. This is gonna make 112 wings, I believe. I'm not sure on that. Don't hold me to that. I'll figure it out later. But I'm gonna call it quits after this. Service is good, I'm not gonna lie, I've been turning this over pretty fast, but it's just boring. The chicken wings, hour and a half here now.
I got it.
We go to my GoPro.
That's a time to go sign.
Yeah.
Eight wings left. See that? Whoa.
Alright, what do you think? I think these are clean enough.
Yeah.
Oh god. I'm sweating goldfish. Alright guys, well the final tally I guess. Something like Morgan, what? How many?
30.
The official number will be somewhere up here, but Morgan says 830. I think I 112. So I don't know, Morgan threw the towel and I'm being full. I'm throwing the towel because I'm getting gross, these wings. Hour and a half of eating wings is not fun. Alright, that is it. That is the Matthew versus Morgan wing off at Hooters all you can eat wings for National Chicken Wing Eating Day. So, oh yeah, I forgot. If you want to see actual wing eating action in action, click this annotation right here. This is video footage of the entire Hooters World Wing Eating Championship held a few days ago in Clearwater, Florida at the original Hooters location. Click this link and you can see people who know how to eat wings, because I don't know how to eat wings yet. So hopefully I'll be part of this contest next year. I fully intend to be part of it next year. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in a few days.